now the US has got the highest foreclosure home, that to the Georgia state where I hail from is the number one, with a lot of foreclosure homes basically. So they fall down. So Sandosh, again coming to Sandoshima, purity in the mind only will connect every human to Sandoshima, otherwise Sandoshima will not get connected to anyone. So me and all my 48 Panditji in my mandir, in any way we can support. We love to support. First, I want you to support Rajdhani Mandir. It's a local mandir. So I always say that if I'm blessed, it will come back to me. It will definitely come back. If I'm not blessed, it will not come to me at all. I believe I got a lot of good luck, a lot of blessings. I know how to make up the karma comfortable. Again, I need to make very clear, when I'm saying I means I cannot do anything. I would say I'm a good mediator, negotiator, broker in front of Durgama. I'm working for her, that's it. So I know what she likes, so she'll do something for me. In the easiest way I'll put it, you go to someone, that guy don't want to do anything for you, but you take his friend to him, because of the friend he helps you basically, right? So I'm always a very close friend of these people. So because of me they may do something. So, and also there's another condition. Every gods and every goddesses, every angel, every graha, every yakshini are controlled by the mantras. That's why without mantra we don't do anything in our Hindu mythology, without Hinduism. Everything goes to the mantra. Mantra goes and controls the mind. That's why you see the history, Shivji gave a lot of special powers to the bad people. Then Shakti ma go and destroy them basically. So that's the idea behind it. So with the mantra we could gain anything. As I said, it is like a knife, you can kill someone, or you can cut the fruits, you can use it for a right purpose. As a surgeon I can do surgery. So knife doesn't do any wrong. The person makes the knife to do wrong. So no gods are bad, no human are bad. Everyone are good in the world. Every human has got a good thing. Every human are good. The circumstances make them to do bad. There only we need prayer, pujas, guru. I'm a guru. What's a guru? Guru means guide. But unfortunately the word become very funny in the world now. A lot of guru, they just misuse that concept basically. As I say, I'm a very good broker in the middle. Anything I could support, I love to support everyone here. And let me ask my Panditji to pray for all the people here for a few minutes.
प्रादरग्निं प्रादरिन्द्रं हवामहे प्रादरमित्रा वरुणा प्रादरश्विना प्रादर्भगं भूषणं ब्रह्मणस्पतिं प्रादस्सोममुदरुद्रगुं हुवेम प्रादर्जितं भगमुग्रगुं हुवेम वयं पुत्रमधिधैर्यो विधर्ता आर्द्रश्चिद्यं मन्यमानस्तुरश्चिदे राजादित्यं भगं भक्ष्योऽस्याः भगप्रणेत.
First time in American history, a pulsating spiritual program.
Atharva Veda.
Do not miss this opportunity.
Simple answer, everything is based on planets.
Atharva Veda coming to your living rooms from the Hindu Temple of Georgia.
Purity in the mind will make you to feel your soul.
Watch 10 a.m.
Om
सर्वजनमनोहरी सर्वमुखरञ्चवी क्लीं क्लीं श्रीं सर्वराजवशङ्करी सर्वस्त्रीपुरुषवशङ्करी सर्वदुष्टवर्गवशङ्करी सर्वशत्रुवशङ्करी त्रैलोक्यं हम अजमानये स्वाहा। ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सर्वो भगवती राजमातङ्गेश्वरी सर्वजनमनोहरी सर्वमुखरञ्चवी क्लीं क्लीं श्रीं सर्वराजवशङ्करी सर्वस्त्रीपुरुषवशङ्करी सर्वदुष्टवर्गवशङ्करी सर्वशत्रुवशङ्करी त्रैलोक्यं हम अजमानये स्वाहा। ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं नमो भगवती राजमातङ्गेश्वरी सर्वजनमनोहरी सर्वमुखरञ्चवी क्लीं क्लीं श्रीं सर्वराजवशङ्करी सर्वदुष्टवर्गवशङ्करी सर्वशत्रुवशङ्करी त्रैलोक्यं हम अजमानये स्वाहा। ओम नमो भगवती गुप्तिका देवी परो उपद्रव मंत्र यंत्र प्रयोगाति कात्तय ये हृदयं सायं करिष्यन्तं तान् सर्वान् हर तगतग पजवज हुंपत् स्वाहा। ओम नमो भगवती गुप्तिका देवी परो उपद्रव मंत्र यंत्र प्रयोगाति कात्तय ये हृदयं सायं करिष्यन्तं तान् सर्वान् हर तगतग पजवज हुंपत् स्वाहा। ओम नमो भगवती गुप्तिका देवी परो उपद्रव मंत्र यंत्र प्रयोगाति कात्तय ये हृदयं सायं करिष्यन्तं तान् सर्वान् हर तगतग पजवज हुंपत् स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं क्लीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय गोविगणवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परकर्म यंत्रतंत्रमंत्र औषधस्त्रस्त्राणि संग्रह मृतयो मोसय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय दीप्त्रे ज्वलापिताय सर्वदिक्षोपहराय कुंभद्भवने परम ज्योतिषे स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं क्लीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय गोविगणवल्लभाय हराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परकर्म यंत्र तंत्र मंत्र औषध अस्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर मृतयो मोसय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय दीप्त्रे ज्वलापिताय सर्वदिक्षोपहराय कुंभद्भवने परम ज्योतिषे स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं क्लीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय गोविगणवल्लभाय हराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परकर्म यंत्रतंत्रमंत्र औषधस्त्रशस्त्राणि संग्रह मृतयो मोसय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय दीप्त्रे ज्वलापिताय सर्वदिक्षोपहराय कुंभद्भवने परम ज्योतिषे स्वाहा। ओम यक्षाय कुबेराय वैश्रवणाय धनधान्याधिपतये धनधान्यं समृद्धवे देहिदापाय स्वाहा।
जय संतोषी माता भक्ति भावमय पूजा अंगीकृत कीजिए मैया अंगीकृत कीजिए। जो मन बसे हमारे इच्छित फल दीजिए। जय संतोषी माता दुखी दरिद्री रोगी संकट मुक्त किए मैया जय संतोषी माता भक्ति
ओम यक्षाय कुबेराय वैश्रवणाय धनधान्याधिपतये धनधान्यं समृद्धवे देहिदापाय स्वाहा। ओम यक्षाय कुबेराय वैश्रवणाय